We are just lifting the loader to access the loader stands easier. This pin right here is pulled, and the stand is spring-loaded. We will lower the loader down. The loader will sit like this in a rest position. We will be pulling these pins, one on each side. You may need to work the loader handle to help take the pressure off the pins. Once the pins are out, you can safely store them with the loader. What we are doing here is uncradling the loader from the loader mounts. You can see here the loader mount and the cradle the loader sits in. You don't want to back out too far, just far enough to access your hydraulic valves. With the tractor off, we will move the loader handle around to release the remaining pressure in the valves. Once that's all done, then we will start uncoupling the valves. They all have quick disconnect couplers and are color-coded to ensure no mix-up. Then, we will plug all the couplers to help keep dirt, sand, and other things from getting in them. Now you are free to back out from the loader entirely. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you. We plan on making many more how-to videos. So please, like and subscribe, and comment down below some ideas for our next how-to videos. Visit www.hobbytractors.com.